Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, hope you will be safe and sound. In this part 2 video, I'll teach you 10 famous proverbs with English and Urdu meanings along with explanation. So let's get started. Once bitten, twice shy. Said when you are frightened to do something again because you had an unpleasant experience doing it the first time. दूध का जल्ला छाछ भी पूंघ कर पीता है, या शाम का डसा रस से भी डरता है. In Pashto we can say mangarar kodale the padi nandari. Empty vessels make more noise. Said to mean that people who talk a lot about their knowledge, talent or experience are often not as knowledgeable, talented or experienced as they claim to be. Kota channa baje ganna, ya tota channe baje ganna. No man can serve two masters. To divide one's attention, efforts, or loyalty between more than one profession, company, goal, pursuit, etc. will result in none of them being done properly. एक मियान में दो तलवारें नहीं समाती. A wish coming true used to say that somebody gets what he or she wished for. अंधा क्या चाहे दो आंखें. If Allah wills not, no one can harm. If Allah protects you, no one can harm you. जैसे अल्लाह रखे उसे कौन चखे. The grass is always greener on the other side. Something that you say that means that other people always seem to be in a better situation than you, although they may not be. Door ke dol sahane. Poor workman who blames his tools. Sad when somebody who performs a job poorly or unsuccessfully but places the blame on external factors rather than taking responsibility for their own failure. Naach न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. A fog cannot be dispelled by a fan. Means a bigger problem cannot be solved by small and meaningless tries. ओस चाटने से प्यास नहीं बुझती. The snake dies and the club doesn't break. Means that the work will be completed and no damage will be done. सांप भी मर जाए लाठी भी न टूटे. Many kiss the hand they wish cut off. Means don't be deceived by mere politeness, as people are often polite to those they intend to harm. दिल में जहर जबान पर शहद. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.